shiny little bubble was born on a rainy day, from rainbow mist and breezy air, and one warm sunlit ray. Since then we hopped together through tall and ticklish grass. I see it glow around me where beams of sunlight pass. It holds my small reflection and pieces of the wide world too. It keeps me safe and gentle when skies are gray or blue. My bubble, so bright and soft and round, it dances close beside me without a single sound. My bubble, a little light of joy. It keeps my heart from trembling like a brave and shining toy. One day a stranger rushed too near and popped my happy gleam. My tears fell down like raindrops and washed away my dream. I sat among the grasses with sorrow in my eyes. The world felt cold and empty beneath the cloudy skies. My bubble, so bright and soft and round, it danced so close beside me without a single sound. My bubble, my little light of joy, I missed its tender shining and my dear round glowing toy. Then someone came beside me with gentle paw and smile. They stayed with me so kindly and waited for a while. And slowly in the stillness a silver light began. My shiny little bubble came floating back again. My bubble, so bright and soft and round, it sparkles close beside me without a single sound. My bubble, a little light of joy, and now my heart is glowing with my brave and shining joy. My shiny